Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Dear students, today we will start our video with the pledge to fight against COVID-19. So, let's take the pledge. I, Manpreet Kaur, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID-19. Dear students, now today we will do the combined cursive alphabets from E to H. As in the previous assignment we have done the combined cursive from A to D, and today we will continue from E to H. So let's start. First of all, I will tell you the formation of the E. Just make a slanting line between these two lines, black line and red line, and then round, curve, again curve, and round and again curve. What is this? Combined cursive alphabet E. In the previous assignment we have done from A to D, and today we will continue from E to H. E for elephant. Next, F. First of all, make a sleeping line like this, and then standing line, curve, again sleeping line, and now small f. Join this black line with the red line and bring this line downwards, curve and round. What is this? F. Capital F and small f. What we are doing? Combined cursive alphabet F, E, F. Next, G. First of all, make a slanting line like this and then curve like this and bring this line downwards towards the black line. Again slanting line, then round, again standing line and slanting line. What is this? Combined cursive alphabet G. This is capital G and small g. E, F, G. Next, H. First of all, make a slanting line between these two lines, black line and red line, and then make a standing line and curve, again standing line, then round like this, and join this line with the red line. Bring the line downwards up to the black line and again curve. What is this? H. E, F, G, H. Once again, make a slanting line between these two lines, black line and red line. After that, round and curve, again curve, and then join this line with the black line and round and curve. E for elephant. Next, F. First of all, make a sleeping line like this, then standing line and curve, again sleeping line, then join this black line with the red line and then bring the line downwards up to the red line, then curve and round. F for fish. Next, G. First of all, make a slanting line like this and then round, curve, and bring this line downwards up to the red line, again slanting line, then round, Again bring the line downwards up to this red line and round. G for grapes. Next, H. First of all, make a slanting line like this. Again standing line and curve. Then again standing line, round, slanting line. Then bring the line downwards up to the black line and again curve. Okay students, hope you have understood it. You have to do this work at your fair notebook. Dear students, now again we will revise the U sound words as we have revised already in the previous assignment. Once again we will repeat this topic. So let's start. What we are doing? U sound words, ठीक है, जिसमें U की आवाज आती है वो वाले वर्ड्स हम रिवाइज करेंगे. जैसे C U T cut, C U T cut. Next, H U T hut, H U T hut. C U P cup, C U P cup. Next, P U P pup, P U P pup. C U B cub, C U B cub. Next, T U B tub, T U B tub. Let's revise it once again. C U T cut, H U T hut, C U P cup, P U P pup, C U B cub, T U B tub. Okay students, you have to learn these words and you have to write these words on your fair notebook. Dear students, now we will read page number 25 from your phonics sound book. So let's start. कौन से words read करनी है? हमने U sound वाले, ठीक है, जो हमने पहले written practice की है. Now we will read this alphabets from your phonics sound book. ये क्या है? U G अग, ठीक है, जिसके पीछे U G अग साउंड की आवाज आएगी वो वाले वर्ड्स हम रीड करेंगे. जैसे B U G bug, B U G bug. H U G hug, H U G hug. Next, M U G mug, M U G mug. J U G jug, J U G jug. नेक्स्ट, ये कौन सी है? यू एन अन साउंड वाले, ठीक है, यू एन अन. बी यू एन बन, बी यू एन बन. जी यू एन गन, जी यू एन गन. एस यू एन sun, S U N sun. R U N run, R U N run. Okay students, let's revise it once again. B U G bug, H U G hug, M U G mug. J U G jug. Next, UN sound. B U N bun. G U N gun. S U N sun. R U N run. Dear students, you have to read this page at your home. Thank you. Have a nice day.